Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Okay, very good. Did you remember what we learned last day? About what we learned? Yes, about a dog named Billu. Who was he? Yes, Billu was a farmer's dog. What happened to him? He became very old and he had lost all his teeth, and so he became very weak and tired. Then, what did his master decide? The farmer decide. What did the farmer decide? Yes, the farmer decided to throw him away from the house. What did his wife say to him? Yes, his wife told him that please let the creature live in the house. Don't throw him away. Then that farmer said that the Billu became so weak and old and he could not do anything, and he could not run, he could not bark loudly, and he could not run after the thieves. So surely I will throw him tomorrow. Then next, what happened? Listen, children. Next paragraph. Yes, page number 9. Page number 9. I will read the paragraph. Listen carefully and understand the new words from the paragraph. Billu heard what the farmer said. He was frightened. In the evening, he went to the bush. He met his best friend, the fox. He told the fox what was going to happen. Children, read silently the paragraph one time. Yes, okay, over. Billu heard what the farmer said. What the farmer decided, or what did he say to his wife, the Billu already heard it. He was frightened. He was frightened. He became so fierce. He was so afraid by hearing that news that he decided to send him or throw him away from the house. In the evening, he went to the woods. What did he do in the evening? He went to the woods. W-O-O-D-S. He went to the forest. Woods means forest. He met his best friend, the fox. Then what did he do? That evening, he went to the forest and to meet his best friend, fox. And he went there and he met his best friend, the fox. Then what did he do? He told the fox what was going to happen. He said to the fox what will happen tomorrow and what was going to happen. Everything he told to his best friend, the fox. Children, I will read it once again. Listen very carefully and understand the meaning. Billu heard what the farmer said. He was frightened. In the evening, he went to the woods. He met his best friend, the fox. He told the fox what was going to happen. Then underline the new words learned now. Heard, heard, H-E-A-R-D, H-E-A-R-D, heard. Could you say the V1 form of the heard? Could you say the V1 form of heard? H-E-A-R-D. Anybody? Yes, hear. What is that? Hear. We are hearing with our ears. You learned now in small classes. We are hearing with our ears. Then next word. Frightened. What is that? Okay, good. Frightened. Spell out. Spell out, please. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Frightened means afraid. He was so afraid. അവൻ വല്ലാതെ പേടിച്ചു പോയി ഈ വാർത്ത കേട്ടപ്പോൾ. Then woods. W-O-O-D-S. Woods. Forest. Woods means forest. Next word. Friend. Spell out friend. I think that all of you know the spelling of friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Happen. Happen. H-A-P-P-E-N. H-A-P-P-E-N. Then he told the fox what was going to happen. What will happen tomorrow? He told all about it, about the decision of the farmer. Evening. Spell out evening. Evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening. Then what did the fox say to him? The fox said that, don't worry, I have got an idea. What did the fox say to him? You don't worry, I have got an idea. I will give you a good idea for escaping from this problem. Then the fox got a good idea and he will give that idea to the dog Billu. Did you understand, children, the meaning? Read it again and underline the new words and write down the words back side of your notebook. And also the question answers, everything, what all the notes you are writing in your front page, please write and learn back side also. You write 3 or 4 times what you are writing in your front page of your notebook. Don't forget it and learn all the spelling. I will send you the words, new words, and write down and study the spelling. Do you have any doubts? Why did Billu go to the woods? Could you say? Why did Billu go to the woods? Yes, Billu went to the woods to meet his best friend. Who was his best friend? Who was his best friend? Can you say? Yes, a fox was his best friend. Write down the homework. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Bye bye.